Vitamin E is a fast-soluble vitamin with a crucial role in maintaining overall health. It exists in 8 different forms, but alpha-tocopherol is the only one human body utilizes.
Chemistry of a vitamin E is a vitamin E comprised for tocopherol and 4 tocotrienols, featuring a chromon double ring with a hydroxyl group and a hydrophobic side chain. The metal groups attached to the chromonol ring determine the specific form alpha, beta, gamma, or delta. This structure allows vitamin E to penetrate biological membrane and acts as antioxidant, donating hydrogen atom to neutralize free radicalization. Vitamin E's primary function is to protect cells from damage caused by reactive oxygen species, ROS, which are unstoppable molecules that can harm cell structure and contribute to various diseases. Vitamin E helps prevent lipid peroxidation, the damaging process of fats and cell membrane. That is the function of vitamin E. Beyond its antioxidant role, vitamin E plays a part in immune function. It helps strengthen the immune system against viruses and bacteria. Blood vessel health. Vitamin E contributes to widening blood vessels and preventing blood clots. Cell signaling. It facilitates communication between cells, support barriers, and cellular function. And the deficiency is vitamin E deficiency is uncommon, usually arising from problems with dietary fat absorption rather than insufficient intake. Individual at risk include premature infants, individual with fat malabsorption disorder, and individual with genetic disorder. The premature infants they have low vitamin E serves due to the limited transfer across the placenta. Individual with fat malabsorption disorder is condition like cystic fibrosis, short bowel syndrome, and chronic cholestatic hepatobiliary disease can impair the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E. Individual with genetic disorder, abitapoproteinemia, and isolated vitamin E deficiency is syndrome, a rare genetic condition that restore fat metabolism and vitamin E absorption. Dietary source of vitamin E is a balanced diet rich in various foods provides adequate vitamin E. The best source include vegetable oils, wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, and sunflower oil. Nuts and seeds, almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts, sunflower seeds. Green leafy vegetables, spinach, and broccoli. Fortified food is some breakfast cereals, fruit juice, margarines, and spread contain added vitamin E. That's all our news for today. I'm your news reporter, RD Aguilar.